downtown St. Louis, especially if you live north.
Did you try to get him over again?
In your basement, in your safe spot right now, because of this rotating cell.
I see it
right over Metro St. Louis. Hey, can we put up that downtown camera again? We had one of those downtown, the Busch Stadium view. And let's double box that. Let's continue to monitor that. Lost that? Okay. If there's anything that can show us the downtown view, because the rotating part of the storm that now is over Clayton, this is giving us a real distinct view of a tornado that is pushing into downtown St. Louis.
All right, folks, I'm gonna pick up. Hey, how you doing, sir?
How you doing?
All right, all right.
You on there? Yep. All right. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'll go get him loaded up and I'll come back and see if you
What you say there, young fella?
How are you there, buddy?
All right, all right.
You guys are working me today.
Oh man, take your time in my account.
Double teaming.
Why don't you work this hard on a Friday?
Not supposed to. Any day for that.
You're way past that stage, huh?
That's right. That's right. Let's see, this little pallet here, Jerry.
Okay. What's up, bud?
What is going on?
I don't know it. How you doing today?
Man, I'm trying to get caught up.
Oh, okay.
This is in the front of Nature's Bakery. So this is it.
Gotcha.
Got it?
Yep.
And then I'll grab this.
Okay. Good. Let me grab that paper.
Did you have any more yesterday or was I your last one?
You're the last one.
Nice.
I went home,
That
took,
again today?
huh?
You hoping for that again today?
No, not today. I'm gonna stay in town today.
Oh.
Out of juice.
Hopefully I just got turned on.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in town today.
Yeah, well, good.
The storm's supposed to be coming through.
Yeah,
Supposed to be pretty bad, so ain't no need of risking my life and my insurance for a day's worth of money.
Yeah, yeah.
Truck running all right since they rebuilt the motor?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, like a brand new truck.
Yep. That's it. Raise your forks up. There you go. Yep. All right.
I'm gonna have one for you Monday morning.
Okay.
Where Bickley's campus is?
No.
I'll send you an address.
Okay.
Just Monday morning.
Monday. Okay, no problem. Is it a pallet or a box?
Pardon me?
Is it a pallet or a box?
It's just a box. It's
Okay.
a roll about this big around and about 5 feet long.
Okay, no problem.
I'll send you an address.
Okay, that'll work. I'm gonna use your restroom and I'll be out. All right, folks, headed to Granite City to drop off a conveyor. This will be my first stop. Then I will have another package leaving Granite City going to Hazelwood. That's the second drop off there. Same company. And I thought I'd give you a little scenery on the way. Get some of this tight bridge. Pretty nice morning. Later on this afternoon, it's supposed to turn into a mess, weather-wise. So, get out and make a couple bucks before that happens. I'm going on in the house for the day. Alright folks, we made it to the scrap yard, so hey, how you doing?
Yeah, how about yourself?
All right, all right. All right, all right. All right, man. How you doing?
Yeah, belt.
Yeah, I got a belt for you. You know, you guys go through these quite often, which I appreciate.
Are you independent or you actually,
Independent.
Do you?
Yeah,
You make good money?
I do.
That was one of the
That's yours.
guys back in Top Brass. He quit to do.
Oh, that's yours. I just need take a picture in your name.
He does delivery full time now.
Does it?
And,
How you like it?
Oh, he made it's on his own time.
Right.
So if he doesn't feel like working one day,
don't work.
or if he wants to work the weekends, he can do that.
That's yours.
Him and his wife both do the exact same thing, and he said just him by himself makes almost twice as much as what he did back there.
Yeah.
I said, good for you, man.
Yeah.
He loves it too.
Yeah, it's money, and plus, like you say, the freedom of being able to work when you want to work or take off when you want to take off. The only thing about it, when you go on vacation, you're the sponsor.
Yes.
Yep. All right, man. Thanks. Until the next time.
No signature, no nothing?
No, that's it. Just a picture. What was your name again?
Dustin?
Dustin. Got it. Yep.
Right on, you have a good weekend.
All right, tell you too, Dustin. Okay, folks, I'm sorry. Done. Quick route. I'm out.